Hey, gang puppy here. Anybody can be a star on YouTube. 7. New equipment. You see some success. You say, well, maybe I'll get a new camera, a new computer, upgrade the quality of my production. Oh, you poor fellow. Most likely that camera is going to take over your world. Prince sang a song about women and girls rule my world. Well, that new camera, that new camera is going to screw up your world. Yeah. It won't like your computer. I gotta have your computer anyway. The costs pile up and you still can't get things to work together reliably. And finally things start working. All I need is a USB extension. Male on this end, female on this end. Into the computer. Camera into there, right? Cable works with everything. I mean, every damn thing but the camera. Burner, flash drive, other computer. You get where this is going? Don't tell your significant other, oh, that card don't work. No. That's probably why Fenner and his wife are getting divorced. She bought him a new camera. Kids. William Claude Dukenfield used to complain about animals and children stealing scenes. I added wives with cell phones. Lyle Peterson talks about the neighbor who spite mows his lawn every time Lyle fires up his camera. And Adam Booth said it doesn't fail. Take the camera out and it's nice and quiet. As soon as you turn it on, a weed eater, a lawnmower, a chainsaw, someone comes out with a big noisy thing right then. So, hey, that new camera, maybe it's a blessing it don't work. Maybe it's a blessing it's a real pain in the butt and you want to hot glue it to this computer over here. I'm thinking I've got one of them wall brackets left over from my eye gauging DRO. Triplets, 2 6s and a 12. Glue it to the lid of the laptop. Then all I need is a 1/4 bolt and a wing nut. I think that may be the hot trick. Well, I'm going to go for now. This has been Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube 7.